Hello, Intellects! I will be giving my honest review about Academi.cx, a new and trending platform that claims to allow you to check your papers with Turnitin before you submit your essays, assignments, papers, and reports, letting you see exactly what your teachers will see ahead of time. This video is dedicated to you. Yes, you, my pretty subscriber. You wanted me to review Academi.cx. You wanted to know if it truly provides the same AI score as Turnitin. But I will go an extra mile in this video. I will not only test Academi.cx to find out if they truly provide the same AI and similarity score as Turnitin, I will also check if files are saved on Turnitn or Academi.cx repository, leading to a high plagiarism score when you do your final submission. I will definitely give my honest opinion as Academi.cx is legit and safe. So, are you ready? Let us get to it now. Try not to skip any part of the video because I will be chipping in some salient points about Academi.cx from time to time. Academi.cx is a third-party service that claims to allow users to pre-check their academic documents for potential plagiarism, similarity, and AI-generated content using Turnitin's detection technology before submitting their work to an educational institution. This means you can make changes to your documents, if necessary, before your final submission to avoid accidental detection, thereby promoting academic integrity. So let's begin with how Academi.cx work. This platform allows its users to upload their documents to the Academi.cx dashboard. It is claimed that the document is anonymously submitted to Turnitin for content processing. The service explicitly claims that documents are not stored in Turnitin's global repository, meaning users can safely submit the same document to their institution afterwards without it flagging against the pre-checked version. We have to practically find out soon how true this is, though. Then, users receive the Turnitin AI and similarity reports. Well, I checked this file on Turnitin. I had used it to determine the best AI detector, like Turnitin. The document consists of 3 different types of text. These parts are AI-generated text, created directly from ChatGPT. The second paragraph consists of text humanized with the StealthWriter AI humanizer, while the rest were paraphrased using Quillbot's standard mode. The results showed that 90% of the text was detected as AI. Of this, 60% was said to be AI-generated text from a large language model, including AI humanizers, while 30% was AI paraphrased. The plagiarism level was 1%. Let us move over to Academi.cx. You can search for it on Google or use the link below. You will need to create an account before you can use this platform. Just fill in your details and you are done. When you confirm your email and sign in, you get to see the dashboard, where you can upload files for checks. Checks begin immediately after uploading your file. It took some time, but it was quite fast. Perhaps because the file had only 1,135 words. By the way, Academi.cx says that they ensure anonymity. They claim that identity and personal details are never shared with Turnitin. All right, the results are here. This is impressive. The similarity index is the same as Turnitin. 1% similarity index. But what about the AI score? Seeing the AI score is a premium feature or requires purchasing a credit. So I will simply purchase some credits to see the AI report. Look at this. 90% AI. Let's view the report. Oh my God, it looks exactly like Turnitin. So, to determine if files are not saved on Academi.cx or Turnitin, I rechecked our sample file on Turnitin 2 days later. Guess what? It had the same 1% similarity index. This means that one can confidently submit files on Academi.cx and not be worried that their work will be plagiarized. But is Academi.cx really legally gotten from Turnitin? I know Turnitin has very strict copyright policies, so I had to dig a bit more. I looked at the terms of service on Academi.cx and noticed it includes a disclaimer that they do not guarantee accuracy or results, and that they are not affiliated with Turnitin. It also states that any use of their services is as is, and that they won't be liable for academic or institutional consequences to the user. These are sort of red flags for me. A service making strong claims, it gives you exactly what your teacher would see, but also disclaiming responsibility. However, if you really want to know your actual Turnitin score before final submission and not worry that it will be stored in the repository, then I will say Academi.cx is your best bet. You can ask me any question in the comment section and I will respond immediately. If this video was helpful, give it a like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe always, and never stop learning.